real savings. That's the Walmart way.
Going down. It's going down that Wally World, bro.
That's the Walmart way. That's the Walmart way.
A nigga is telling me ignorant. Oh,
Yes.
my
all this
goodness.
to Mexico.
That's the Walmart way.
Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I was on one of my favorite websites last week, one of my favorite apps, the Slick Deals app. Great for anybody who has a compulsion to buy things to make themselves feel better. And what did I see? Over at Walmart, they had a great deal on these Trojan-Ends condoms. So I picked some up. I wanted to send some to my buddy. That's my buddy David Kistner. I sent some to him out in Florida. Let's use the new pickup towers. Eliminate the need to interact with anyone. Now, if you've seen a previous review that I had last year of picking up an online order for Walmart, you'll see how terrible the experience it was. The experience was terrible. It took 15 minutes for somebody to acknowledge me, and I captured it all on video.
There was also no one in the pickup area. There was no one behind the desk.
Let's compare and contrast how Walmart promotes its pickup tower and what it's really like. Now look at how cheery and happy this is. Oh, what a great experience. It's quick and it's easy. Let's see how it works. Please do. Step 1, place your order.
False.
Step 1 will never be just as easy as preparing your order. Step 1 will be prepared for a delay. Your online order from Walmart will always be delayed. Step 2 is that your online order is ready to be picked up and you'll get an email.
False.
Step 2 is more like, hey, it's been a week, your order's ready. You better come pick it up because we have a time limit on it. And you forgot you even had this stuff ordered. Pick it up before they toss it because Walmart ain't trying to wait on your ass. Step 3 is so easy. All you do is just scan that barcode on your phone and boom, here comes your package. It's so easy. Puffy jacket.
False.
I have the barcode pulled up on my big phone that fits perfectly in the scanner. Maximum brightness. And it does not work. It refuses to scan it. I have to manually type in the order. What could be easier? What could be stress-free? What could be more stress-free than having to do all this yourself? You're doing the work. Walmart gets your ass to do the work for everything, just like the self-checkout lines. You know what I'm talking about. Now here's the exciting point. Here's the exciting part. Here comes my condoms. Now here we go with step 4. Step 4, pick up your order and get on your way. Psych.
False.
You better pick up your package out of this machine, then step to the side and check that order for accuracy. Don't you dare be a fool and just walk out of Walmart like anybody could have possibly gotten anything right. If you ordered 2, you probably get 1. If you ordered 5, you probably get 4. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews at Pickup Tower. Everything about Walmart aggravates me. I don't know why I still go there. Maybe I just go there for the content. Anyway, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. I would appreciate it. I've been doing this since 2006. My name is Ryan. This is Silly Reviews, and thank you for watching.